Chaat, I think, is an emotion. Hi, I'm Sanika.
And I'm Ria.
And we're here to find out
Who has better chaat recommendations?
AI versus locals in Mumbai.
There's good chaat in Mumbai.
You'll find out.
So we are on our way to
Our next AI recommendation, which is Elko Pani Puri on Hill Road. So we're gonna have the Pani Puri as it should be had, like live. The Pani Puri cost us 90 rupees. Basket chaat cost us
170 rupees.
my kidney. For chaat, I think 170 is so high. But let's see if it's worth it.
Very sweet. It's very sweet. थोड़ा तीखा ज़्यादा करना ना. It's quite refreshing though. No pudina flavor, nothing.
It's sprouts, so it feels like I'm having sprouts and pani puri. We're waiting for our order, and we had the pani puri, and now we are here to have the basket chaat because it's fancy. We are in AC,
Our basket chaat.
and there's dahi in it.
I don't know, it's worth 170 rupees,
gaya
but
pani
definitely.
mein, dahi mein. It has moong dal. Why is there sheera inside? Wait,
What is sheera?
there is upma inside. It's like breakfast. But this is also cold. Everything is cold in Elko.
It's suji.
सूजी का हलवा है.
That's sweet. ये लग रहा है मम्मी ने सूजी का हलवा बनाया था, बच गया तो उसमें डाल के
Yeah,
बना
it's like
दिया.
a dish made by a mom. It's like the meetha prasad that you get in Satyanarayan ka puja.
But I think it's quite refreshing. People might like it.
I'm not people.
Every bite you're getting something new, either new sprouts, bundi.
I will not have it again, and I will not have it right now also. So let's move on to our next local recommendation.
Monsoon chaat counter in Lokhandwala.
What's your best chaat order?
I think it's always in my hometown in Kalyan when I used to get like 20-30 rupees and I used to go with my friends and we used to share one pani puri.
Chaat should definitely have two things. Aloo. Second, dhania.
I like ragda better, but let us know in the comments what do you like better.
What is ragda?
So we are here at our first local recommendation and guess where we are?
We are in Lokhandwala.
So Riya, that is ragda.
This is ragda? This is chole for us. Pudina, tanginess, sweetness, all present. It's very tasty, quite refreshing actually.
It tastes like घर पे बनाया हुआ, which I really like. We had the pani puri for 60 rupees.
60 for 6 pani puri.
That's a
That
lot.
means 10 rupees ka ek. In
Yeah.
my place, we used to get 10 mein 6-7 pani puri.
And we also have shev puri coming, and shev puri also costed us 60 rupees. So firstly, they've given us spoons to eat with. What is this? Fine dine restaurant. By the way, can we talk about how much shev there is? I love that. I love that. I love that.
I think it would be more nice agar thoda
Ragda hoga.
sweetness hota though.
Yeah, I think the chutney is very watery, so it has become kind of soggy. I don't know if you can see. I don't want soup in my chaat. I won't have this again.
For 60 it's very nice. It's quite low. It's quite heavy.
Yeah.
And आपका 2-3 पापड़ी में पेट भर जाने वाला है.
Wait. Tell us in the comments your favorite chaat item and where do you have it from. And don't forget to subscribe to BuzzFeed India. Now we're going to Guri Kripa, which is like world famous in Mumbai. This is pakwan. It's like Sindhi nachos.
Honestly, I would love it if थोड़ा salty होता ये तो. It's quite मीठा.
Elko mein too salty. Yeah, too sweet. So,
Chaat is all about
chatpata. So I think it's
Chatpata,
more than salty.
right?
You want the chatpata-ness in it. It's not the best dal pakwan I've had. I don't know if dal pakwan even qualifies for chaat. We got this dal pakwan for 75 rupees, which is not bad at all because like the pakwan is quite big. The dal is also a lot. For the price, the quantity is really good. But we're waiting for our sukha bhel now. Sukha bhel costed us 45, which is I think fair.
very fair.
Yeah, because we'll look at the quantity and we'll justify.
The puffed rice, which is muri. What do you call it here?
In Marathi, you call it kurmura.
It's basically purana. I mean, it's not that fresh. It's all like very moist. It should be
Soggy.
crunchy, right?
It looks spicy, but there
No,
isn't.
yeah, there isn't.
Take spice.
have this.
There's no tomato also. Tomato can also be there. I like my bhel from the, like, Thela wala uncle. I would not like to try it again.
I know one place. It's in Marine Lines, and the place name is Natraj Pani Puri.
Okay.
Really good chaat and with a great view. So yeah.
So now we're going to our next local recommendation, which is in South Bombay, and it's Natraj Pani Puri. It's literally on Marine Drive.
I want
to see Marine Drive. Like it's happening finally.
ये वो है स्टेशन है. हाँ. It was on my bucket list, but मेरे को लगा कहाँ से ऐसे मैं देख पाऊँगी. Oh, complete Mumbai. I can see it.
This is nice, actually nice. I love when the ragda is hot and the pani is cold and the symphony. It's so good. It has a burnt taste भी ना, इसको charcoaly taste है मस्त, तंदूरी types. Ah,
The taste resembles to North India for sure. We are trying
ragda patties.
ragda patties.
इसमें ragda दिख रहा ही नहीं है, it's sort of chutney.
Oh dude, see.
Now it's visible, but it's full chutney. But I think it's gonna be very tasty. No, I think
Mixed with some chutney happening here. It's quite tikha.
there's green chutney which is tikha, and then there's tikha also. There's double dhamaka, but I like it. Like I don't mind it.
So this ragda patties costed around 80 rupees. I think
It's fair because the
lot-
quantity is a lot. We're gonna take it parcel home because we've had so much food.
so much chata chaat.
I think the next time I come, instead of having, so you know, usually when we come to Marine Drive, you have chai. But this time I think maybe I'll drop by Natraj. So let's move on to our next AI recommended place. So we are here at Gupta Chaat Center, Matunga.
So now we are trying ragda patties.
No, it's ragda patties.
Why patties?
Ragda to matlab you to let it be. And next up we have something very innovative. This is samosa sev puri. The samosa sev puri costed us 80 rupees.
Ragda patties.
Was 60 rupees. It's so good. I'm simping on this. You know the tikki, uska bahar ka crispy and under it's so soft.
Yeah.
And it's so refreshing. The ingredients are fresh. They have crushed some pani puri on it. This should be a 5-star dish.
Oh, nice job, AI.
I will definitely try again.
Same, definitely. Now
Moving on
let's
to
try.
the innovation.
It's quite sweet.
Why does it have Szechuan sauce?
So this is papadi and here piece of samosa.
It has a bit of street food Chinese vibe to it. It's like samosa plus puri, which my brain is not able to like comprehend. But if your brain can comprehend, then you should definitely try it. And it's
I
scary
thought-
also. It's too much. I'm just gonna finish this
And
and
then we'll be moving on to our next local recommendation.
You can try Jackie Bhel Puri. It's in Zoo. You must try the Shev Puri. It's
Okay.
really good. And the green chutney.
so we are here at our last local recommendation, which is
Jackie Pani Puri.
we're trying Shev Puri and Masala Puri. This is Shev Puri and it costed us 70 rupees, which is
Okay.
really
Actually
nice.
really good.
Really well balanced. Like it's not too spicy, not too sweet. There is kanda, there's curry, there's everything.
What is kanda? This is our next order, which is
Masala puri.
Masala puri,
Which costed us again 70 rupees.
And even the tikha flavor is nice.
Yeah, there's some masala, like chaat masala. I'm really a sukha puri girl. I eat the whole pani puri plate just for sukha puri. I think I'll definitely have this again. I think it's a very tough competition, but Gupta Chaat Center takes it.
For me, Jackie Bhaiya.
So the winner for this edition of AI versus Local Chaat
Chaat
edition is
Won by
Locals.